Welcome back to my channel, and as you must have already seen my previous videos, in one of them I had shown how to make your handmade paper at home, and in one video I had shown how to dry the fresh flowers at home. So today we will make a beautiful project with that. These are my handmade papers, and for the project I also need a cake plate. Basically this is a hard cardboard on which we keep the cake for decoration. Okay, so now you just have to stick the handmade paper on that cake plate, and I'm trying to do that only with simple Fevicol. I've stuck the paper on the cardboard, and I'm trying to remove all the bubbles so that it becomes plain, and then I can work on it. Now I will be needing some dried fresh flowers. These are my flowers. You must have already seen it on my previous videos, how I dry my flowers and how I make my handmade paper. If you haven't, I'm leaving the link in the description box. So now these have all dried well, and it is time to decorate from all the sides. So I am going to paint around with white acrylic. You can also use gesso. This is how I've already done with one of my plate, and this is how it looks. Once you cover up the whole thing with white, then you can give a nice finish of some chalk paint. So let me show you how I will cover up with the acrylic white first, and once I'm done with that, if you have gesso, you can always try the gesso also, but in case if you don't have gesso, just paint it with the white acrylic color. And this is the chalk paint which I have, so I will be covering up with this. I have taken two chalk paints. One is pink and the other one is pista green. So these are the two shades I already have, and I'm very comfortable with these colors. So this is how it is going to look once you finish it off. So the pink I did not like that much. That was little dark shade, so I took the lighter pink and I painted again all over. So this is how it is going to look. And now I will be using this jute rope, basically a jute twine, all around the handmade paper, and just I stuck it with the Fevicol, and it is done. And there was nothing great to show you how to stick the twine around the handmade paper, so I just did it. I just finished it, and then I'm showing it to all of you, so that the video becomes a little shorter. Too long video also becomes very boring, so I just thought of making like this. And I have stuck some pearl beads all around the twine, and this is how it looks. Now once I finish the whole project, I will be giving it for framing and wooden framing, but if you want, you can do the framing yourself too. These are some more dried flower projects. There's aroma stones I have made. If you've liked my video, then do subscribe for my channel, and stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye, take care.